being an HR, having an aerial view of each and every employee is made easier with Great HR. My name is Ankita Pednekar. I work with BTW Visa Services India Private Limited, and currently I'm handling the role of a HR manager. Before going ahead with Great HR, it was like, the Excel sheets took almost 1.5 days to calculate 110 people, the salaries. All thanks to Great HR with regards to the payroll part, because the inputs that needs to be given manually also are very easy enough, swift enough. And we have almost 8 companies under us. So different books of accounts, different payrolls, the calculations are different. Within an hour or two, we are done with the calculations. Great HR has impacted a lot when it comes to work life, because as I said earlier, that whatever work was being done for 2 hours or 3 hours, now I am able to do within fraction of minutes. So of course my time is saved there. So definitely that has helped us to go ahead or think from the different prospects how best inputs will be able to give from the other direction, which will uplift ourselves and which will help organization to achieve its goal that has been set up. The second majorly I would like to inform here is all about the onboarding process, because maintaining the data of so many people, because initially we started way back 2001 with 2011 with one single table, and now we have almost 150 people that are working with BTW Group, all spread across different branches. But ensuring that each and every person is maintained in the database is really a difficult part, because all 5 locations where people are spread across different regions. So under such circumstances, you give the link, you have the people onboarded, and we know which person is sitting in which location. So the best part of Great HR is all about the accuracy part. Means altogether when it comes to calculations, when it comes to compliances part, even generating the records with accurate. I haven't received any complaint from any of the employer related to salary कि भैया मेरा salary कम आया है. It has not happened. I am pretty sure on this. So for such thing, yes, the accuracy has played a very important role when it comes to Great HR. Wherever we got stuck up, the customer service team is fabulous. They are able to help us out at any point of time. I would recommend Great HR for its user-friendly note, and at the same point of time it is cost effective as well. Okay, so you can certainly look forward for the comparisons part of the market. From the admin point of view, of course, the day-to-day operations. From the accounts point of view, day-to-day calculation. Moreover, Great HR gives us an update about the compliances, what are there, how it is, and what could be the upcoming news as well. So that keeps us updated about what is happening into the industry as well. And because of which altogether all these features gives a feel of that yes, Great HR is a full suite HRMS.